Reading 12. Computer Lessons.
In my school, we use computers a lot. In every classroom at my school, there are 3 or 4 computers. We need the computers for our lessons. The teachers often ask us to work in small groups using the computers. They ask us to look for information, or they ask us to use special programs that can teach us things. I think that using computers in this way really helps make learning fun. One class that I use computers in is music. For example, in music class last week, we wrote a song on the computer. Usually in music, we learn how to sing or how to read music. But the computer program helped us write a song of our own. This lesson made us think a lot about the sound of the music and the length of each note. It was an interesting and useful lesson. Another class that I recently used computers in was science class. In science class, we are learning about animals. We are learning about both the inside and outside of animals. Computers can show us how animals act and what they look like. There are also lots of photographs, videos, and sound files online that help us learn about animals. We can compare different animals side by looking at the photographs. Or we can see how the animals move and eat by watching the videos. The sound files teach us about the different noises that animals can make. These are things that books cannot teach. These days, kids are learning to use computers at younger and younger ages. In fact, many kids know how to use a computer even before they go to kindergarten. I think this is great. Computers are a great tool for learning both at school and at home.